Let's see how to add a staff member. First, go to the staff option. Then click on Add Staff. Now, you need to fill out the form. Start by entering the staff name. Next, enter the Gmail ID. This email must be unique. After that, create a password. Make sure the password includes at least one uppercase letter. Then enter the confirmed password. Now, select the role. There are multiple role options available. After selecting the role, add the staff member skills. Next, enter the mobile number of the staff member. Make sure the number is correct and active. You can also add an alternate mobile number. After that, enter the full address of the staff member. Now, select the country from the list. You can easily search for your country by typing its name in the search box and selecting it from the results. Once the country is selected, enter the postal code. After entered details, click on Add Staff. You can see staff member has been added.